sit down. Because when you put it down, he will just be crawling, and oh, I'm making a video. So I have to just back him like this. Right, baby? Don't want to sit. And everything, and anything that I'm doing, you want to see from the back what I'm doing. So I'm putting cold water inside the egg, cool down so that I can peel it. So I just added. So I finished boiling the egg and I've put it inside cold water so that it will be easy for me to peel it. Well, I'm also making another breakfast. Aside making the baby food, I'm making another breakfast for me and my husband. So I want us to be eating while the boy is also eating at the same time. See your eyes? So this is the egg. I want it to cool down so that I can peel it. I just finished with my baby food. Yeah. I'm so tired. I just finished with the baby. Hi. I was doing two things at the same time. So I want to show you how the food looks like. It's so simple and it's healthy too for the baby. So after that, then I'll just clean up the kitchen. So this is how the food looks like. Yeah. It's so easy to make. So he will eat this one for now. See how smooth it is. So this one, so I will just store this one. Then he will eat this one for now. So I will just store this one. And he will eat this one. When you make it this way, whenever he's hungry, just feed him. So that's why I always make his food. But because we were relocating and other stuff, I prepared him home food while we were the first day of the travel. I prepared him food from the house. On the way, it's finished and we have to buy purée and other stuff. So we are here finally. This is what I've been doing. Then once in a while he eats this food. Let me show you. So normally when we shop, we also buy this one and add. Maybe when we are going out and his food is finished, we just warm this one and he eats it. It's so healthy. All the ingredients are very good. See. So I'll keep this one in the fridge. I have to label it. I will label it with the dates and the contents. So guys, he's watching his toys at the same time. So behind me, that's where he's watching. This opportunity to wash these things. I've already started, but this one I'll rinse it again. And that is it. Then offload these dishes. Play with a car. At least this way, if I say to feed him, but if I don't wash these bowls and I say to feed him, this boy will delay me. Because when you are feeding him, it takes time. He will do like he wants to eat or he don't want to eat, then you have to eat. In fact, when you are feeding babies, if you don't have patience, you will just stop. Meanwhile, they need more food. You will think that, oh, he's satisfied, but he's not. That's how children are. And you have to have time. woke up, and I'm using this opportunity to feed him before he sleep again. Say hi. Say hi. Good boy. Not too thick, not too light. You like it? He was sleeping, so I just said let me put him down so that he will sleep, and then he just woke up. It. He's just looking at you guys. Guys, I will talk to you guys later because this guy will. I have to let him eat again. Look at your mouth.